Hi children, a very good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. We are in our lesson 1 and we have completed meanings and new words. Today we will write question and answers. Be ready with your class workbooks and pencils. So children, put today's date 14/6/21 and we have completed our new words and meanings. Now write here question and answers. Question and answers. First question. What did WHAT? What did DID? Did THE? The PEO? PLE? People. People. WHO? Who? Finger gap. LIVED? Leave. Finger gap. NEAR? Near. Finger gap. THE? The. Finger gap. FOREST? Forest. Finger gap. BELIEVE? Believe. About? ABOUT? About. THE? The. TREE? Tree. GOD? God. Answer. What did the people believe that? Yes, they believed the tree god will protect. In THE? The. FOREST? Forest, comma. THE? The. PEO? PLE? People. Finger gap. BELIEVED? Believed. THAT? That. There. THERE? There. Finger gap. WAS? Was. A. TREE? Tree. GOD? God. WHO? Who? PRO? TECTED? Protected. Finger gap. THE? The. FOREST? Forest. And D? Un. THE? The. VIVO? ICE? Voice. Finger gap. THEY? They. HELP? A-R-D, herd. W-A-S, was. H-I-S, his, full stop. E-W-E-R-Y, O-N-E, everyone. Children, here full stop. So again we have to start with capital letter. After full stop we have to start with capital letter. W-H-O, who. Finger gap. H-E-A-R-D, herd. The, T-H-E, the. V-O-I-C-E, voice. O-B-E-Y-E-D, obeyed. I-T, it, obeyed it. Leave a line. Second question. H-O-W, how. D-I-D, did. T-H-E, the. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. S-H-A-R-E, share. T-H-E, the. M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Answer. The, T-H-E, the. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. W-E-R-E, were. W-I-S-E, wise, full stop. T-H-E, the. Monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. Finger gap. P-L-U-C-K-E-D, plucked. Finger gap. T-H-E, the. M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes, full stop. T-H-E-Y, they. Finger gap. A-T-E, eight. H-A-L-F, half. T-H-E, the. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Finger gap. A-N-D, and.